Hey guys, welcome to Sasha's kitchen. Right here I have 4 pieces of leg quarters that I went ahead and took the skin off, chop it and wash it with some vinegar water. Whenever you're making curry, you want to make sure your pieces of meats are small and not too big. And I prefer to go with the bony part of the chicken whenever I'm currying chicken because you get the best flavor of the gravy, the best broth from the bones and stuff like that. So I prefer to use the leg and thigh. All right, so we're gonna start by seasoning our chicken. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and add some cooking oil onto my chicken. Next up, I'm gonna add some salt and black pepper. No measurements, guys. I just went ahead and just pour these in. And next I have some garlic powder and onion powder. Next I have some special jerk seasoning. If you don't have this seasoning, guys, you can go ahead and use some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, or some Old Bay seasoning, just your favorite season that you like to put on your chicken, but it doesn't have to be this one. Next I have some table blend seasoning. Just gonna go ahead and put that on. Alright, and I also have my green blends. I have pimento, garlic, onion, everything, guys, is in here. And whenever my seasonings are going bad, I just go ahead and blend everything. And this is what I come up with. I even have ginger in here and everything. And if you would like the recipe for this green blend, I have it down below. Go ahead and check it out. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some here, not too much. We don't want to overdo it. Last but not least, I have some Trinity Jamaican spicy curry paste that I will be using today. It's my first time trying their curry paste, so we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna add a generous amount to give my chicken the best flavor. I almost said the blessed flavor, the best flavor. All right, and you can go ahead and check out Trinity on Instagram at Trinity, and the owner also have a catering business, and he also have a food blogging Instagram as well. You can go ahead and check them out on Amazon. They have so many great products, guys, and I will be using these a lot. So since you're watching this, if you want to learn the Caribbean way, this is a Caribbean company. Go ahead, guys, and support him, support small businesses. Yeah, just go ahead and check him out, and if you use this product, just tag him on Instagram or tag it and send it to me, and I will definitely forward it to him. Yes, so this is how it looks. All right, so like I said, it's my first time trying this one, so we'll see how it goes, and I will give you guys my honest opinion. Okay, all right, whenever you're doing curry, either you want to use a spoon or something to combine everything together, because curry stains. So I have my gloves on. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it in. And once I am finished rubbing my meat, depends on how it looks, I will know if I need to add some more curry or if I need to add some more powder seasoning or some blend. But you will look at your meat and you will decide. Okay, I want to make sure everything is covered evenly. And once I am finished with this, I'm just going to go ahead and sit it on my counter for 1 hour. All right, and then we'll start cooking, guys. I can't wait. Wow, I mean, this curry paste, wow, It looks really good. Normally I would use 2 different type of curry on my meat, but it doesn't seem like I will be doing that today. Wow, this curry paste color is amazing. Okay, Trenton, I see you. So yeah, guys, if you're trying to start cooking more Caribbean food, just go ahead and check out Trenton. This video is not sponsored, but they sent me some products just from my pantry, and I'm trying them out, and I'm just giving you guys my honest opinion. I haven't tasted this as yet, so we'll see. But the color, I don't even think I need to use 1 more curry on here. If I need to add anything more, maybe some more curry paste, but not a other curry. All right, okay. I don't know. I don't think the camera and the lighting is giving this meat color justice. Like the color, I am amazed. This almost look like it is cooked already. Wow. Okay, let me stop playing with this chicken. That's how it's looking, guys. Right? So after sauteing for 6 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just mix everything up. We do the sauteing part because you wanna burn the season onto the meat and all that curry, all that goodness. And try not to saute it for too long because you don't want to get your meat dry. All right, you want to keep all that moisture. So next we're just gonna go ahead and cover our pot, lower your heat, and we're gonna let the meat spring its own water. All right. This is why I told you not to fry it too dry. All right, saute it for too long. All right, so go ahead, lower your heat like I'm doing right now. I put it at 3. All right, so I'm just gonna let that spring its own water. Stay tuned. All right, so after 6 minutes, this is how my curry is looking. Yeah, guys, that's all the liquid from my chicken. I haven't had any water as yet. So here I'm gonna add some bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, chopped onion, and green onion, also known as scallion. Just gonna go ahead and dump all of that in there. Okay, and to that I'm gonna go ahead and add some warm water, some hot water, because if you put cold water, it's gonna drop the temperature of your pot, and I don't want that to happen. So whenever I'm making stews or curry or whatever, I always use hot water. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Not too much, about half a cup or so. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and combine everything together, and we're gonna cover this and let it just steam, slowly cook for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, so all the seasons, I'm telling you, you're not seeing the curry color that I'm seeing in person on this camera. It looks whiter on here, but trust me, the color is amazing. I didn't add any more curry or any more seasons to my pot, only the fresh seasoning. So I went ahead and combined everything, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this and let it cook on low for 20 to 25 minutes. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy making yours as much as I enjoyed making mine.